If your Cash App payment has been declined for your protection, it is likely due to the app's security measures. To fix this issue, follow these steps. First, ensure that your account information is up to date and accurate. This includes your name, address, and phone number. Make sure that the information matches the details on your government-issued ID and bank account. Next, check your account balance to ensure that you have sufficient funds to complete the transaction. If your balance is low, add money to your account and try the transaction again. Also, verify that your card or bank account is active and has not been closed or suspended. Contact your bank if you are unsure about the status of your account. In addition, check the expiration date of your card to ensure that it has not expired. If your card has expired, update the information in the Cash App. Furthermore, be aware of Cash App's transaction limits. If you are trying to send or receive a large amount of money, you may be exceeding these limits. To resolve the issue, try the following. Restart the Cash App and try the transaction again. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Cash App support for further assistance. They can help you identify and fix the issue. To avoid having your payments declined in the future, keep your account information up to date and be mindful of the app's security measures and transaction limits. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Cash App support. By following these steps and best practices, you can help ensure that your Cash App transactions are processed smoothly and securely.